Ma'am, how does the palace view the bold statements made by the Chinese embassy condemning Senate Resolution 256? Ma'am, this resolution denounces statements from the Chinese embassy and actually calls for diplomatic measures to uphold the dignity of the Philippines. According to spokesman Ji Lingpeng, yung resolution daw po na to ng mga senators ay para lang sa kanilang political na interes.
Ang Pangulo po kasi ay rumirespeto sa kalayaan ng pamamahayag. Kung may kalayaan po ang China sa kanilang pamamahayag, ganun din naman po ang sino man na Pilipino at kung ano man din po ang inihayag ng Senado.
This condemnation po ng Chinese embassy, does the palace see this as a way to silence the Senate?
Hindi po tayo makakapag-react ng ganyan dahil sabi nga po natin, may karapatan naman din po silang magsalita kung ano ang kanilang nararamdaman, ang kanilang sentimiento, ganun din po ang Senado.
China also has decided to bar 16 Kalayaan LGU officials from entering mainland China, Hong Kong, and Macau in response to the LGU's persona non grata declaration against Chinese Ambassador Jing Chuan.
Kung ano man po ang naging desisyon at polisiya ng China ay hindi naman po natin to saklaw. Katulad din po ng hindi nila dapat masaklawan kung ano po ang nagiging desisyon ng administrasyon na ito. Pero ang detalye po niyan ay mas maganda po na ibigay ko na po kay Secretary Tess Lazaro ng DFA.
Kapansin-pansin po na ang style o ang yung nagiging stance nitong bagong Chinese ambassador para medyo mas palaban. Given that hindi ho ba rin tayo mag-a-adjust? I mean, are there going to be tweaks to be made dito ho sa ating diplomatic approach with the new ambassador?
Hindi po kasi natin masasabi na ang pagiging palaban ay siyang magiging magandang solusyon para maayos kung ano man ang sigalot sa bansang China. So kung sila man ay palaban, meron naman po tayong paraan na legal, diplomatic, na pwedeng makapag-ayos ng anumang issue.
Salamat po.
Follow-up question.
How does the Philippine government, particularly the Marcos administration, intend to put its foot down so that the Philippines would not appear to be a pushover against China's new envoy in the country?
But again, the President is very clear on that issue. The President says that we have a firm stance on our position with regard to our rights and interests over our own territory and over the West Philippine Sea. So, I will just, again, the details will be given by Secretary Tess Lazaro. I will not make any other or other further comment on that.